Hi guys, welcome back to Code Lab, and in today's video we will learn how to make a quiz game in Scratch. So for that I have uploaded Chalkboard and Abby for the code. So let's start with the code. For that we have to drag when green flag is clicked and wait for 1 second. Then we will go to sensing and drag what's your name and change this to what is the capital of India. Capital of India. Then we will go to variables and drag if else statement and operators and is equal to 1. Then again we will go to sensing and drag answers. Answer is equal to Delhi because the capital of India is Delhi. Then we will go to looks and say right when the answer is correct and say wrong when the answer is wrong. Say right for 2 seconds. Right and wrong for 2 seconds. Then we will go to make a variable and make a variable which is score for all the sprite, and we will disable it from there. Then we will go to disable it. Then we will drag set my variable set score to 0 and then change score by 1 when the answer is right and change score by -1 when the answer will be wrong. Score will be 1 and by -1. Change score by -1. So here we will duplicate from wait for 1 second and we will duplicate it for 4 times more. So let's do it and change India to different states. For example, in the next I will type Bihar. So the capital of Bihar is Patna. So the capital of Bihar is Patna. So here we don't have to do any changes. Then again we will duplicate it. So let's duplicate it again. So the next state will be the Assam. So the capital of Assam is Dispur. So let's type Dispur here. Dispur, where my keyboard is not working. Yeah, Dispur. So as Dispur. So the next state will be the Maharashtra. Again we will duplicate it. So the next state will be Maharashtra. Meghalaya, sorry. And the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Then again we will duplicate it. So let's do it as Rajasthan. So let's type Rajasthan here. Not Rajasthan. So the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Then we will go to looks and drag say hello for 2 seconds and change it to 5 and go to variable and drag join apple and banana and your score is from variable we will drag score. Sorry for mistake, I have dragged it here. What is the capital of India? Delhi. So what is the capital of Bihar? Patna. So what is the capital of Assam? Dispur. Right. What is the capital of Meghalaya? Shillong. Wrong. What is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Your score is. So here we have done a mistake, so let's do it here. Yeah. Again we will. What is the capital of India? Delhi. Right. What is the capital of Patna? Sorry, Bihar, which is Patna. What is the capital of Assam? Is Dispur. What is the capital of Meghalaya? Shillong. What is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Your score is 5. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.